Which drawing tablet is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Wacom Intuos Small. First up, we have the Wacom Intuos Small Graphics Drawing Tablet. Priced at $39.95, this tablet is a favorite among many. What caught my attention is the battery-free pen that feels just like drawing on paper. If you want great control without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Its plug-and-play capability with Chromebook, Mac, and Windows means you can get started quickly without any complicated setup. Plus, it's compatible with a wide range of creative software, allowing you to explore everything from drawing to photo editing. With a solid 4.6 stars from nearly 24,000 reviews, it's clear that many users appreciate its performance. Here's the thing though, if you're primarily sketching or working on smaller illustrations, this isn't a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or just need a reliable tablet for on-the-go sketching. Skip this one if you're looking to create large-scale works or need advanced features. At this price point, it offers fantastic value for your money. Now, if the small active area of the Intuos bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, XP Pen Magic Drawing Pad. Next, let's look at the XP Pen Magic Drawing Pad. At $429.99, this is a standalone drawing tablet that caught my eye with its 16,384 pressure levels. If you want the freedom to draw anywhere without being tethered to a computer, this is definitely worth a serious look. This allows for incredibly precise lines and shading. The anti-glare glass ensures that you can work comfortably, even in bright light. Plus, with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, there's plenty of space for your art apps and creations. The long battery life of around 13 hours means you can draw all day without worrying about charging. However, some users have pointed out that the tablet can feel a bit heavy for long sessions. Here's the thing, if you're planning to use it mostly on a desk, the weight is less of an issue, but if you want to draw in more casual environments, it might feel cumbersome. This is perfect for you if you're an artist on the go or someone who loves to sketch anywhere. Skip this one if you prefer a more traditional setup with a desktop. It's a solid investment for those who are serious about their art. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a screen. Product number 3, XP Pen Artist 13.3 Pro. Now let's talk about the XP Pen Artist 13.3 Pro, priced at $190.62. This tablet offers a fantastic balance of features and price. What caught my attention is its fully laminated screen, which makes drawing feel incredibly natural. If you want a tablet that mimics the real paper experience, this is worth a serious look. The tilt function allows for natural shading as you draw, and with 8 customizable shortcut keys, you can streamline your workflow. It's compatible with all major design software, making it a versatile tool for any artist. Many users rave about its ease of use, reflected in its solid 4.5-star rating from over 3,400 reviews. Some users did mention that the setup process could be a bit tricky, especially for beginners. But here's the thing, once you've got it set up, the experience is smooth and enjoyable. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a decent screen tablet without spending a fortune. Skip this one if you need high-end features or a larger display. For what you get, it's an impressive value. Now, if you want a more portable option, the next product is definitely worth a look. Product number 4, XP Pen Deco 1v3. Next up is the XP Pen Deco 1v3, which is an excellent choice for beginners, priced at just $42.88. What really caught my attention is its 16K pressure sensitivity, which offers a genuinely responsive drawing experience. If you're just starting out and want an affordable entry point, this is worth a serious look. The battery-free stylus feels natural to use, making it easy for beginners to get used to digital drawing. Plus, with 8 customizable shortcut keys, you can enhance your workflow as you get more comfortable. The Deco 1v3 has a solid reputation with a 4.5-star rating from over 14,300 reviews. Now, some people complained about the lack of a built-in screen, which can be a downside for some. Here's the thing though, this tablet is designed for those who are comfortable looking at their computer screen while drawing, so it might not be a deal breaker for everyone. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner looking to dip your toes into digital art without spending too much. Skip this one if you need a screen or more advanced features. Honestly, for the price, you can't go wrong here. Now, if you want something with a screen but don't want to break the bank, the last product might be right up your alley. Product number 5, HUION Canvas Pro 16. Finally, we have the HUION Canvas Pro 16 priced at $279.99. This tablet really impressed me with its anti-glare glass and full lamination. If you want a drawing tablet that delivers stunning visuals and comfort, this is worth a serious look. The 15.6-inch screen gives you a lot of working space, and with 6 customizable express keys and a touch bar, accessing your favorite tools is quick and easy. Many users appreciate the adjustable stand, which allows you to find the perfect drawing angle. With a solid rating of 4.5 stars from over 4,300 reviews, it's clear that this model resonates well with artists. Some users have mentioned that it requires a connection to a computer to work, which can be limiting if you're looking for a standalone device. However, if you plan to set it up as part of your home studio, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a professional-grade tablet without the top-tier price. Skip this one if you need a standalone option. For the features it offers, it's a worthy investment for serious artists. So to wrap things up, we've covered 5 fantastic drawing tablets. The Wacom Intuo Small is great for beginners at an unbeatable price, while the XP Pen Magic Drawing Pad offers portability. The Artist 13 III Pro strikes a balance between price and features, and the Deco 1v3 is perfect for those just starting out. Finally, the HUION Canvas Pro 16 delivers professional quality without breaking the bank. Each has its strengths, so consider what fits your needs best.